Pan-Africanism 3.0, the final phase of Pan-Africanism. Pan-Africanism 3.0 is a universal spiritual evolutionary vision aimed to unite Africa under a divine royal leadership. It is at its beginning stage, led entirely by the youth, especially the Gen Z. Pan-Africanism 3.0 is different from Pan-Africanism 1.0 and 2.0 in that it is not demanding for political accountability or improvement in economic life of Africans. It is calling for an end to the system itself with all that it represents. It envisions a chain of change as follows: the end of politics and political systems, the establishment of African continental kingdom, a total erasure of everything non-African in Africa, a complete restoration of Africanity in Africa, Africanization of humanity, a global civilization under Royal Africa, and the evolution of the human species toward the realization of human potential and destiny. Pan-Africanism 3.0 does not recognize politics as African, and as such is not looking up to African leaders for African unity. This vision focuses on the African people, sidelines political leaders, and disregard foreign institutions and international organizations. No organization or institution, global or galactic, is legitimate unless it is our making, and we consent to no system non-African. Pan-Africanism 3.0 is a conscious transition from the historically defensive posture and victim mentality to an assertive royal position, indicating a rise from slavery to royalty. With the change in energetic leadership in Ghana and the termination of political timelines ruled by the Akan-Caucasian coalition, Pan-Africanism 3.0 is leading Africans to fill the void. It intends to reset Africa and ready Africans to lead the next phase of human evolution. Now that the age of politics has ended, it is time for royalty. The night is over and the dawn is here. It is the turn of the oppressed to rise to glory, this time to rule for eternity. We, the African people, are tired of looking up to and begging a council of less intelligent fools to decide our fate. So we no longer acknowledge the existence of these so-called nation states, nor the puppets who believe they are leading them. Royalty has always been the default system of government for the children of Africa. But as for this chaotic, predatory, self-serving system, from where comes it and why is it here? A king is all that Africa needs, an intelligent, divine, virtuous, visionary, and brave king is worth more than the combined heads of 54 politicians and their respective enablers into bracket cabinets. Pan-Africanism 3.0 is a movement of Generation Z, and its success is exclusively our achievement. We, the Gen Z, are the pride of our ancestors and the hope of the future. Let's rise in action because of our younger brothers. Let us be the responsible big brothers to whom our siblings can look up for hope. We must ignore these annoying old fools mistaken for experienced leaders. Pan-Africanism 3.0 in summary is a unique, universal, messianic vision focused on uniting Africa under a divine royal leadership. The energetic concentration of this vision is in northeastern Ghana, West Africa. So what do you think about Pan-Africanism 3.0? Drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.